promise?
I'm waiting for you, Daddy.
I don't think I could do it. It seems really tenuous.
Don't break it.
I don't know what you don't understand about that.
Don't do it then. You know it's going on YouTube if you fall in. Yeah. Okay. He's still gonna do it.
If I fall, notify my next of kin.
Be okay.
Yeah, he'll be okay. He did it.
Notify my next of kin if I fall. Woo-wee. Did she do it? That little girl did it?
That's because her dad was helping her. Right?
Wow.
Avoided it too. Wow.
Wow. This is very good. It's not too far down. It's not like it's 200 feet. Whoa.
And he has a bad calf too.
Concentrate. Focus. 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 You can do it. You can get focused. Okay. Head route walker. Empire State Building. Here's up. Oh, okay. Okay, you did it. Yay.
Yay.
Boom.
Okay, let me hit record this time.
Oh,
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I did it. I got it.
Dad, there's a bridge right there.
You don't have to come back.
But get me this way then.
Oh, okay.
There's a
Then.
bridge.
Whoa.
Whoa, don't fall this way.
If I die, remember
I do know
that I
CPR,
love you.
All right.
but I don't do head injuries.
Whoa.
You know there's a bridge, Dad.
Whoa. Okay, this is harder than going the other way. Okay. All right. I'm going to fall. Shice. Shice. Dad.
Don't fall. You're okay.
Shice. Shice.
What are you thinking?
Okay. You can go, 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 go.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, was that easy or hard?
It was hard, man. I had all my faculties to sum up in my spirit to do it.
All right.